What's up mga papi? Good morning, happy Monday. Napansin mo ba, pag edad natin na mga 40, yung tiyan natin parang may sariling buhay. Most men think it's just age, but it's actually three things. First, slower metabolism. As we get older, mas konti ang calories na ginagamit ng katawan natin. Second, less muscle. Pag hindi na tayo masyadong active, bumababa ang muscle mass. And yung muscles is what helps burn fat. Third, stress and poor sleep. Pag stress kasi tayo at saka hindi maganda yung tulog, tumataas ang cortisol. And pag mataas ang cortisol, yung katawan natin nag-i-store ng belly fat. So ang tanong, paano nakakatulong ang running? Well, when you run regularly, maski 5 to 6 kilometers lang, you burn more calories. And syempre, nai-improve nito ang insulin sensitivity and your body becomes better at using fat as fuel. Pero ito ang importante, hindi kailangan mabilis ang pagtakbo. Most of my runs are easy pace lang, yung kaya mo pang makapagkwentuhan habang tumatakbo. Kasi consistency beats intensity. At 50, hindi na tayo tumatakbo to flex o mag-angas. We run to stay healthy and keep the belly in check. And hopefully, stay strong for many years. Ayun lang. Happy Monday ulit. Run, Arcovia! Yee!